Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Bash script. Today we are going to learn how I can parse the JSON in a Bash script. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. Before parsing the JSON, you need to install the JQ command. So in the previous video, I have shown like how to install the JQ. So this is the simple command you need to add. So where we have this one, so sudo apt install jq. Okay, so install this jq for the JSON parser, right? Then we will come to the code. Okay, so first we have to assume that the data.json file contains the following JSON format data. So this is that one, right? You have to create that one. Okay, so here we control z. So this is basically the JSON format data, so you have to create that data.json. Okay, then rest of the file, let's have a review of that one. So here data.json, so first original JSON data will print $json file echo, right? After that, parse JSON and extract the information using the jq. Okay, so here we have a names, we have the cities, extracting the names and the cities of the people. Okay, jq hyphen r people name, and here we are extracted information, that is names and the cities. Okay, and the last moment what they are doing, the calculation of the average age. Okay, so let's see the extraction process taken place or not. Let's go to the terminal and let's hit this one. So here this is the original JSON data. Okay, then we have a name, age, city, name, age, city. Okay, then we have a names, that is Alice. Okay, then we have a Bob. Okay, two names are there, the Alice and the Bob. Cities, we have the New York and the San Francisco, both printed over here. Then the average age, that is calculation of the average age, that is 2530 divided by 2, that's come to be 27.5, right? So here we look into this one. So here we have extract the names and the cities of a people. Okay, so here we have the JSON file. So this is the original JSON file. So people, that is the array. So we are just extracting the name, then city. Okay, same thing that you can do with the age also. Okay, if you want to extract that one, so you go with the age also. Okay, so here we can see that we have a dot jq. Okay, dot people age hyphen add slash length JSON file. Okay, so here we have whatever the length we have, divide by the length. Okay, so first we will add this one. Okay, with add, so addition of these ages, then divide by the length, that is length is 2, so divide by 2, then we'll calculate the average and printing the average of that one. Okay, this is how you can parse the JSON data into your Bash script. Any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.